Alright, so we're here at Dyno again with the drift car. I'm going to give this a go, voice over, hopefully get some more attention, see how we go. Anyway, just set my dyno up here, spoiler alert, clutch slips all the time, so that's why it's a short video and it makes bugger all power. But anyway, let's get on with it. I'm about to talk, so I'm going to shut up and let the video do the talking, and I'm going to jump straight back in after.
Right, here we go, run one. I'm going to be looking at my laptop, the AFR's not there.
Alright, so here it is, rolling on the throttle to 100%, and then away we go for the first run. See a bit of wheel spin there too. Look how early that stopped. I set up the speed so it should go the whole way to the end of the run. Yeah. Alright, let's go again. 100% throttle again. Hit OK. Off spacebar. Something glitched out there. Don't know if it's just the videos I'm watching it. We'll see. But same crap. Nothing very interesting. Oh yeah, the reason why I'm retuning it is I put another wastegate on it. The other one was stuck open, so it was super laggy and had no boost control. So all this here on gate pressure was on around 11 pound as well, which should be pretty plus easy. Here we go again, full throttle, spacebar, let's see what we get. Listen to how short that run is. That was getting full boost at 3,500 RPM, and then this is 6.2. It was hitting it straight away. And Alright, next one. There we go. Yeah. I'm going to stop talking here anyway, but you get the point. You can just see the runs were going down and down and down on power. It was just spinning. But this is getting ready for round one of the drift comp. I'll just say it now, it didn't spin, the clutch didn't slip up there, so keep watching this, see what happened, and then next week's video should be at the drifts.
Looks like we're getting a bit of wheel spin. I'm going to re-strap it down and come back to it. Now the speed's under 110, before it was around 120.
Fuck.
They're spinning the clutch or tyres.
Yeah, I don't think the tyres are spinning then. Did you replace the clutch or not?
Nah, it held at the track.